Marche Green, and I live here in Oak Tree Landing. In my home here at Oak Tree Landing, I actually have two favorite places. One would be the basement, in which we were able to customize and turn into a movie theater. We have family night every Friday, and we watch movies, and we have a popcorn machine and so forth, so we create our own movie theater, if you will. But my most favorite would have to be the master bathroom, in which I was able to customize and have a jet tub installed. After long days of work, I'm able to go in there, light some candles, read a book, and just relax. So that's absolutely my favorite place.